In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT using only 2 prompts. This method is quick and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the ChatGPT platform, which is easily found online. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. This will direct you to a list of results, where you should find the official ChatGPT website, usually right at the top. Give that link a click, and it will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, you'll see a prominent search bar. Click inside this bar to start the process of creating your thumbnail with AI assistance. Since our goal is to generate a thumbnail with just 2 prompts, we will craft our first prompt carefully. Let's use this as an example. A hyper-realistic YouTube thumbnail featuring a surprised man pointing at a glowing light bulb against a red and yellow explosion background with the bold white text. Thumbnail secret. Go ahead and type this into the search bar, then click the Submit button, which will send your request to the AI for processing. In a few moments, you'll receive a response based on your provided prompt. This is your first draft of the thumbnail. However, we know that sometimes the first output isn't perfect or might need some refinement. So, let's tweak it a bit by providing a second prompt to refine the design further. Click again on the search bar to prepare your next input. For the second prompt, you might want to emphasize visual clarity and contrast by typing something like, create a vibrant, high-contrast YouTube thumbnail with a clear, eye-catching subject that pops from the background, leaves space for text overlay, and remains visually clear even at small sizes. This ensures that your thumbnail not only looks great, but is also functional when appearing on different screen sizes. Once your prompt is ready, hit Submit. With this step completed, the AI will generate a refined version of your thumbnail. Using these 2 distinct prompts allows the AI to create a visually appealing thumbnail that should capture your audience's attention effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple 2-step process for utilizing ChatGPT to create YouTube thumbnails. It's a powerful tool that can seriously enhance your video marketing by ensuring your thumbnails are designed to draw viewers in. Remember to experiment with different prompts until you find the style and layout that best fits your channel's needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy thumbnail creating!